Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up two-factor authentication on Bybit. So the first step you need to do is to open the Bybit application. Click on that. So once you open that, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you can see an option of security. Click on that option. Here you can see Google two-factor authentication. Simply click here and you need to enter the verification code that is received on your email. So let me check. Let me refresh here. So this is the code 552343. Let me enter that 552343. Click on confirm. Here you can see that please install Google Authenticator app on your phone. Click on continue and you need to copy key. Go back, open Google Authenticator. Click on add a code. Here you can see different steps. So you can click here, enter a setup key. So I want to add the key here. Account name Bybit. Okay. Time base counter base. So I'm select time base. Click on add, and here you can see a code 860867. Go back. Click on next. 860867. Okay, here you can see that Google Authenticator is now set up. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.